Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know already, this is pre-shot content because I'm away right now. So a few of the next few videos. So the next few videos are going to be hauls because I have bulk filmed them, bulk filmed all the cutaways, and I'm leaving it to myself, to future me, to do the editing for all of these videos before I go away. So good luck to future me. Enjoy. So today's haul is a H&M haul. So it's a H&M autumn winter transitional haul. Now they have so much on their website now, it's almost like it hit September 1st and they were like autumn, and everything has dropped, like scarves and knits, hats, everything. They went 0 to 100 on the autumn scale real quick, and now everything on there is all knitted and jackets and leather, and it's all happening really quickly. So I thought I'd pick out some of my fave pieces that I spotted on there for more transitional dressing as opposed to going like straight into autumn winter like it's November. Because I have a feeling that some people out there are getting a little bit overwhelmed like I am. Like some websites are literally just dropping stuff that I would normally buy in like November now. And I'm like, whoa, okay, they're selling like proper big puffer coats and full length coats and wool coats, and everything is happening really quickly. So I thought I would pick out a few pieces that are going to see me through and that really caught my eye because there's a lot out there at the minute, and a lot of this stuff is pastels and neutrals, which is I'm just so excited to show you. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the first few items I've got to show you are t-shirts. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I am really enjoying wearing band tees at the moment, and when I spotted these on the H&M website, I really just had to get them. I really did. So this one is a Rolling Stones t-shirt, and I just really liked it because it has all these colours on. Like it has a full like rainbow tongue, which is really cute, and it's also got like that weathered, worn kind of vibe to it, which I really like. I prefer my tops to look a bit more vintage, even if they're not. And it also has detail down the back as well saying the Rolling Stones, which I thought was a really nice touch. I just think t-shirts seem a bit more vintage when they have something on the back of the tee, which I absolutely love. What size did I get this one in? I got this one in a medium, and it's still quite small. To be fair, if I ordered this again, I would have sized up, but I've taken the tags off and I'm still going to keep it. But if I'd have ordered this again, I would have got size large, just because it's not really that oversized. It's not made to be an oversized tee, it's almost made to just be like a normal kind of, almost like a boxy fit tee. It's got a little stretch to it as well, the t-shirt, so I'm pretty sure you could buy it a size down where it fitted if you really wanted to, but I kind of wish I bought it in a size bigger. But all in all, I really like this top. I think it's super comfortable and really cute. I also picked up another band tee just because I liked the colour of this one, because it is a little bit more neutral. There's nothing on the back of this one, but this one definitely fits more like an oversized tee. It hasn't got as much stretch as the other t-shirt, and it is a little bit more, like if you look at the neckline and stuff, it definitely feels a bit more like an oversized band tee. I did pick this one up in a medium as well. Yeah, I did pick this one up in a medium as well. I think it fits really nicely. I think this tucked into some white jeans would also just look really cute. And I just love the colour. I think it's such a lovely little neutral colour of a band tee to wear into autumn. Okay, so next up I picked up this kind of teddy style top. So it's got like a little zip down the front like this, so you can wear it all the way up to your neck, or you can wear it like all the way down and it kind of comes apart like that, which is kind of how I prefer wearing it. I think it's a little bit more flattering. It's this lovely fluffy teddy material that's just super soft, and I think this would look lovely tucked into a pair of like wider leg jeans, maybe like for a vintagey mom look. I think it would look pretty cute. This also comes in other colours as well, which I'll link down below. I think that they have a little bit more of like fun colours available, and also black. So there are those as well, but I thought I'd pick this up just so it was a little bit more neutral. I picked this up in a medium, and I think it is a good fit. It's definitely a little bit oversized, but I have room to like tuck the bottom in, which I really like as well. And the arms aren't too long. They're a little bit long on me, but I have tiny arms, so that is totally fine with me. I really like it, and I think this is going to be such a cozy piece to wear indoors and outdoors, more towards end of October time. So I'm kind of thinking ahead here, but it's just so cozy, I couldn't resist. Next up I picked up this top. It's almost like a polo top, but it has these diamante buttons. There's 3 of them all down the front, and then it has a little collar that also like kind of cuts at the back, so it's not like a full collar. You could probably wear it back to front as well if you liked like the collar effect, the Peter Pan kind of style collar. But I thought this was really cute. I initially picked this up in a size medium in H&M when me and Alex were in, I want to say in Kent, when we were in Canterbury or something. And we got in and I tried it on, and it was absolutely massive. It was so big. Alex was like, is it supposed to be that big? That looks huge. It looks like you're wearing like a granddad's jumper. I was like, I know, I have to go back and get another size. And the only size they had was an extra small, so I was like, oh, I'll try it. And it does fit. Like, I feel like these come up very, very, very big. As you can see, this is an extra small. And I'm a size 10. They do come up really, really big. I thought my size would have been a medium, but that was absolutely huge. It's also from the H&M Conscious range, which I really, really like. And it also comes in black and I think white as well. As always, I'll link them all down below. But I just really like this colour. I thought it would be something different. I don't know what I'd style it with yet. I haven't quite got that far. Probably white jeans or a white skirt or something. But it is like really, really, really blue. It's like a nice cornflower blue though. But I haven't quite got around to thinking of what I could style it with. If you have any ideas of what I could style this with, let me know down below because I would absolutely love to hear it. Because I think this piece is absolutely gorgeous, but I don't know what I'm going to style it with yet. Speaking of baby blues, I couldn't help but pick up this knit. So it is a cable knit jumper and it has lovely like detail all down the sleeves. It is quite a heavy jumper. It's very thick, and for the price, I think this was only like $29.99 or something like that. For the price, it's unbelievably good quality. Like, it really, really is. Like, all that detail, the cable knit detail down the back, and it's like really thick and heavy as well. And also the buttons, I just thought were adorable. Now H&M do have, I think, 3 different blue cardigans, like 3 different ones on their website. If I can find them all, I'll link them all down below because you might prefer another one other than this one. But I personally felt like this one's the nicest because it's a lovely pastel colour and it also has all this cable knit detail on it as well. I did pick this up in a size small and it fits really nicely. It's not too long, it's not too cropped, it's just the right size, and I can also do it up and wear it undone. The only issue I really have with this jumper is that it has sort of a little bit of I guess it's like a little tuft that's kind of hanging out of the jumper here. I'm not quite right. Oh, can you see that? Can you see it there? Can you see it? It's like right there. I don't really know what to do with it. I'm guessing it's like at the end of the knit when they kind of just leave the end of it there. So I don't want to cut it because I feel like then the whole jumper will unravel. But I kind of wish that was like on the inside so I wouldn't have been able to see it. But it is what it is, and I think it's only because I know it's there that I've noticed it. I hope that makes sense. But all in all, I love this knit and I've worn it so much already. I've got so much good wear out of it, and every time I wear it, someone compliments me. So I would say that that is definitely a winner. I picked up a fluffy cardigan because I really couldn't help myself. I saw this one on the website, and although I have a fluffy knit jumper, I don't have a cardigan. And this one I thought was really cute because it has the Demonte style buttons. Oh, I can't really show you because the material is so stretchy. There, the Demonte style buttons, which are really, really nice all down here. And I thought that the whole fit of it was also really, really nice. It kind of has this ribbed hem effect at the bottom. It's so difficult to show you because this thing is so slinky, but it has like a ribbed effect at the bottom, which I think is really nice. It is super soft, and again, it's just a fluffy knit. It's so lovely. It's not scratchy at all, which is sometimes what I get scared of with this style knit. It's not. It's really soft. It's not scratchy at all. The small, again, fit really nicely. That's the full length of the small. And I think it fit me really, really nicely. I think this is adorable. The only issue that I really have with it is I think that these buttons will not last. I think that they're going to come off. Looking at the way they're attached, they are very fragile and there is fraying. Yeah, there's fraying on the thread of all of these buttons that are attached. So it's not like I do the jumper up all that much anyway, but it's a little bit disappointing because the buttons are so heavy and they're not like put on properly enough for them to stay there. I think that they could have done a little bit better on the stitching in that case. But all in all, I really like this jumper. I've taken the tags off. I love it. I'm not going to return it, and I have been wearing it, so yeah. Okay, so I picked up this purple sort of, I thought it was denim, but it's not denim. It's kind of like denim, but not. It's almost like a more of a linen-y feel material jacket, because I thought it would be really cute. It's like utility style. So on one side, there's like one big pocket. On the other side, there's like 2 big pockets. And the colour itself is absolutely gorgeous. It's this stunning like lavender colour, which I thought would be really, really cute as like an overshirt and stuff. And now that it's arrived and looking at it, I just don't like it as much in real life. I don't know why. Something just hasn't like clicked with me. Me and this jacket just haven't seen eye to eye yet. I'm not sure if it's just because I'm a bit like, I don't know what I'd style with this. I think that this sort of jacket is something that I would wear in the late summer or in the spring as like an over jacket, whereas now we're going into like knits and we're going into, I guess, like more like flannel shirts like this that are a bit more warm, whereas this definitely just, I don't know, it just doesn't, Something about it doesn't bring me joy, guys. So I'm going to be returning this one just because me and this one just didn't, I just don't know. I don't see it integrating with my wardrobe. But all in all, it is a really nice piece. For the price, it's gorgeous quality. I love the utility style. The colour is gorgeous. I cannot fault this in general. So if you're thinking of buying this, there is nothing wrong with this jacket. Me and this jacket just haven't seen eye to eye, and I'm going to be returning it. Okay, so next up I have a few proper jackets, like proper jackets that I need your opinions on. So let me know down below what you think of every single one of these jackets, because I do not know which one to keep. So first off is this cream number. It has gorgeous quilting stitching all around it, which I think is stunning. It has a little pocket on the front here, which I think is really nice. Oh, it's a fake pocket. Well, that changes things. It's literally just a flap. I didn't even realise that. Okay, well, it's not a real pocket. It's just a flap. It doesn't have pockets then? No, it has no pockets. So keep that in mind, guys. It has no pockets. It's got fake flaps at the top. It does up by little poppers here. And the lining is really nice as well. It's like super soft. And then it has a belt to tie it all up. So it is quite like, I guess kind of like riding style, like horse riding style. I did pick this up in a small and it is still quite long on me. I really loved this effect on the side as well, this little moment that we're having on the sides of the jacket. I really liked, but it is still quite long on me. I guess that's so that you can belt it, and when you belt things it will kind of come up in the length. I'm just not sure. I'm just not sure if this style suits me. I've seen it on a lot of other people and it looks so good on them, but on me I don't know if this suits me too much. I think it would look really cute with some vinyl leggings or some matte leather leggings. I think that would look adorable, but I'm just personally not sure. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, because I'm just not sure if it suits me. I think the piece itself is gorgeous and I love the quilting, the colour, everything about this is stunning, but I just don't know if it suits me. Next up is the jacket that out of all of these jackets, I like the most personally on myself. Like looking in the mirror, this is the one I like best, like on me. And I think that it is so cute. It's got this lovely detailing, like it's quilted detailing. And it's a little bit padded. It's not like a puffer, but it's a little bit padded. And then it has this wide neckline as well, which is super stretchy, which I think is really cute. And the zip goes all the way up that neckline, so you can do it up in the winter if you get the cold like me. And then you can like wrap a scarf around it. I think that's really cool. And it's basically just done up the whole way by a zip. Now, I'm going to try and show you as best I can, but you'll probably see better on the cutaway. But it changes in length. So for instance, if I show you that there, that's the back and then that's the front. So the back is a little bit longer than the front and it has that cutaway detail, which I really like, but the back is definitely longer than the front. So hopefully you guys can see that. I like this one on myself the most. I did pick this up in a small and it fits really nicely on me. I'm a size 10 and it also is very, very roomy. I could see myself layering this over knits and I don't think I'd have a problem because it is very, very big and oversized. Out of all of them, I like this one the best. I'm not sure if it's because of the colour, sort of cappuccino colour. I do already have a Cappuccino Puffer from ASOS, which I really, really like, but this one is a little less big and a little less puffy and I feel like it's a little bit more casual. Whereas the other one I will definitely keep for like super cold weather because I feel like it's going to be so much warmer than this one. But let me know in the comment section down below, guys, what do you think of this one, because I really like it. Okay, so this jacket is the one that I mostly need your help with because this one is a wild card. This one I just saw on the website and I thought, well, I'll give that a go because why not? It is almost like a satiny puffer jacket. It's got loads of padding in it and it's mostly padded in the shoulders. It's properly square shouldered. I can't even show you like this. You're just going to have to watch the cutaway because it's going to be impossible for me to show you. Look at this. It's huge. It has like buttons and stuff and then pockets, which is really cute, and a wraparound waist. So you will see it better in the cutaway, but it's basically like a kind of triangle fit. Really, really weird, but it's super puffy, a triangle fit, and then you tie up the waist. And it is in this gorgeous blue colour. Now, I don't know if it's because I'm short, but I'm not sure if I'm pulling this off. You'll have to let me know what you think, but it is really nice. And I see myself wearing this as a look, like a look jacket, but I can't see myself wearing this as anything else. Just because it is just so out there, I'm not sure I'd feel comfortable wearing it. I feel like it might swamp me a bit. If you're taller and more leggy, this could potentially look amazing on you. But because I am so short, I just feel like it might swamp me a little bit. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know which is your favourite out of those 3 jackets. Because I just don't know. I don't know. I feel like I'm going to keep the second one. Just because I feel more comfortable in it. It's got pockets, which is a major plus. And it's really, really cute. It's a cute little jacket. But I'm just not sure about this one. I feel like it might be just too much of a statement. I'm not quite sure what's the type of person that would wear this and get good wear out of it, if you know what I mean. So I'm not quite sure who would buy this and be able to wear it like on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. This is definitely something I would get and wear occasionally, and for the price, I don't think I could justify it to get it and wear it occasionally. I hope that makes sense, but yeah, I'm just not sure. Okay guys, that is everything in my H&M haul. My favourite item, I think it's the 2 cardigans, because I've actually worn those so much since I got them. They're the 2 pieces that I literally have just grabbed pretty much on every shoot, on every day, even just to sit around in the flat. If I'm not wearing something like this, like on my cami, I will be wearing like a chunky cardi. The only reason I'm wearing this on top of this cami today is because it's a little bit warmer inside the flat, like we have a lot of sun coming in, so I'm wearing this instead. But usually I'd be wearing one of those cardigans because I like them that much. They're that comfy, and most importantly I think for this whole season is Scratchy Knitwear, and none of this is scratchy. It's all really good quality, super soft, and I like the fit of them both a lot, so I'm gonna get so much good wear out of them. Make sure to let me know in the comment section down below which of the jackets you think is the nicest. The like cream quilted one, the Cappuccino Puffer, and then the last one, which I don't even know how to describe, the blue one. Let me know in the comment section down below which you like the best and which do you think is more practical, because I think each to their own, like each of them have their own pros and cons, and I feel like I can't justify buying 3 jackets from H&M right now, so I need to decide which one to send back. And I have a feeling that I'm going to keep the middle one. I'm going to keep the Cappuccino Puffer one, just because I like the pattern and it has pockets and it's really cute. But let me know in the comments which is your favourite, or your favourite piece in the haul in general. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!